Hello and welcome to Ciel Dubai, the world's tallest hotel. I've just checked in. I'm going to give you a quick tour. So, things to know before I show you around. This hotel is 377 meters tall. The hotel rooms extend from the 17th floor to the 72nd floor. We are currently on the 71st floor, so this is pretty much as good as the views get. This is a one-bedroom suite with luxury bathroom. It has that integrated kitchenette, this lounge area, a TV I haven't yet turned on. Furniture, comfortable, everything I need. Quite international and non-specific in style, I would say. Yeah, but does the job. So moving on, we've gone into the bedroom. Quite a firm mattress. You have curtains that are controlled automatically by the bedside switchboard. When I'm staying in places with wonderful views, like to just keep them open all night so I can wake up seeing that panorama. Also, they illuminate that wheel, the world's biggest Ferris wheel, in neon at night, and it's quite dramatic to look at as well. Just taking you into this very substantial walk-in wardrobe. Dubai is a destination that people visit for shopping, so I guess it's pretty good for that. And here we are in the very, very vast and lovely bathroom. I'm going to show you the view properly in a second, don't worry, but you can see that the tub looks right out onto it. 2 showers here. Water pressure is great, it's immediate, it's nice and hot water, ready to go. All of those things, fully functional. It is very impressive how people manage to create very complex architectural feats like this. Now for the view. Also fascinating to observe. We're overlooking JBR and Dubai Marina, one of the glitzier parts of the city. Then on to Dubai Harbour and onwards to the Palm Jumeirah. It's a rare grey sky day in Dubai, which is quite notable. I live just around the corner, so I know this area quite well. This is unusual, but still very dramatic vista nonetheless. The views, I think, are one of the most significant selling points. Of course, they really are magnificent. And despite all the construction that continually happens in Dubai, at least from the 71st floor, you are unlikely to be overlooked by any other property for decades to come. There you have it, your tour of Ciel Dubai, the world's tallest hotel.